Hi everyone, my name is Hema and I wanted to share something with you that I think would help you if you're a mom and you're busy doing the dishes and all the laundry and the actual housework and cleaning. One of the things that I've been experiencing during this lockdown is that my nails and my cuticles are getting really dry and they look horrible. And to top it all off, I can't go to my nail salon anymore. So it's been eight weeks. They look really bad. So I've been doing my own self manicure at home, and this is where I've realized that tools matter, and to cut my cuticles, I've just been through a real process over the last 8 weeks, and I wanted to share with you what's working and not working for me, and maybe this might help you. So I got this from the pharmacy in CVS, and I can't tell you how disappointed I am. It's so blunt. It would get stuck as I grab the cuticle, and because of that, when I cut it off, and I think I'm cutting it off, I end up bleeding. So this is not ideal. This is not ideal, and I wanted to find something a lot better to use. So what I did was I went online and I found this flat slant cuticle nipper from Seki Edge. Now, Seki Edge is a product that is manufactured in Japan, and it's sold here by Jatai International. Their website is jatai.net, and if you go on there, it's totally inexpensive, and I highly recommend this. If you have a little bit of a little cuticle softener, all you have to do is put it on your fingers, on your cuticles, and then this thing here magically goes underneath your cuticle gently, and you just snip it off. And the blade is amazing. It actually cuts. It cuts and it cuts gently. And because it's got a slant, it's not going to actually yank or pull your cuticle. So get yourself one of these right away. Seki Edge cuticle flat slant cuticle nipper. I think the product code is SS301 on jatai.net. Amazing product. Now, if you are having problems pushing back your cuticles, and then some of us use our fingernails to do it, try this. It's also Seki Edge, and I bought this, and what a gift this is, because it really grabs it all out and it pushes it right back so that you can actually soften the cuticle and cut it with your cuticle nipper. I hope that helps, and let's hope that we can all get back to normal soon. Thank you. Bye.